country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I
and I am
am proud
proud of
of this day
its rich
and very heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to
to
be worthy
be worthy of it.
I respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders.
I can treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy
with courtesy
to my country
to my country
and my people.
and my people.
I place my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
Thank you, ma'am.